Citrix Hypervisor Review. Citrix Hypervisor is a virtualization software designed for enterprise-level users. A hypervisor is a software that allows the utilization of hardware resources across multiple guest systems, creating and running multiple virtual machines. A virtual machine is a computer system software that replicates the functions of an existing physical computer. For instance, this can be used to run the Windows operating system on a MacBook laptop, allowing users to switch between Windows VM and Mac OS operating systems. Virtual machines have many uses. For instance, they can be used to trial a potential new operating system. Additionally, developers who have Mac OS but need to build an app for Windows have the option of running a Windows virtual machine and programming their application without having to buy a new computer. Citrix Hypervisor enables the running of multiple virtual machines on one physical computer, with the program executed on them isolated from the host hardware resources. This application is compatible with both PCs and servers. Citrix Hypervisor is based on the Zen Project Hypervisor and provides additional features and technical support from Citrix. The Zen Hypervisor is a Type 1 hypervisor, running directly on the host machine's hardware. Type 2 hypervisors run on an operating system instead. Citrix Hypervisor is a Type 1 hypervisor, with direct access to the host hardware that provides efficient and fast performance. Its security is enhanced by a lack of OS-based vulnerabilities, with each virtual machine being independently secured against cyber threats. Citrix resource pools allow users to group and administer multiple servers' virtual machines and their associated storage as a single entity. This feature enables the movement of virtual machines between Citrix Hypervisor hosts, so they can be created on one server and transferred to another without disruption. A single pool can accommodate up to 64 servers running the same version of Citrix Hypervisor software with different hardware configurations. In case of hardware failure, virtual machines can be transferred to another server within the same resource pool or be configured to migrate to a different host when their host fails. Citrix Hypervisor enables users to generate disk images of virtual machines. These disk images are files containing all the data of a certain virtual machine. Such images can be uploaded to other host systems to achieve a precise replica of that particular virtual machine. A disk image facilitates data backup for virtual machines, and the Open Virtualization format provides an open-source standard by which these machines may be imported or exported from one host machine to another, irrespective of the virtualization software used to create them. This software is compatible with two disk image formats, VHD and VMDK. Citrix Hypervisor enables you to recover virtual machines in the event of a hardware failure. It saves your virtual machine's metadata in a backup environment and can help you restore it, allowing you to recreate your virtual machine. Citrix Hypervisor operates using a command line interface, which can be difficult to use for those who aren't familiar with the commands. To make it easier for the average computer user, a graphical user interface console is available for installation. Citrix provides multiple methods to contact them for assistance, including email, live chat, and telephone. Additionally, the Citrix Hypervisor is accompanied by comprehensive documentation hosted on their website. Citrix Hypervisor is a viable option for organizations looking to build and manage a cluster of virtual machines. However, its high cost may be prohibitive for small businesses with limited personnel.